Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix packet loss and high network latency on Marvel Rivals. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to go on Steam or Epic Games, right click on Marvel Rivals, go to Properties, Installed Files, press Browse. And then you get this folder. What you need to do here on the top, you need to press on the blank space and copy the path of that particular folder. Then you need to go to virus and threat protection. Then we need to wait for a couple of seconds, select virus and threat protection, then select manage settings under virus and threat protection again, then scroll down until you see exclusions, select add and remove exclusion, hit yes, add exclusion folder, and then paste the path of that particular folder and select folder, right? Next up, what you need to do here, you need to write Windows Defender Firewall. Then you need to press on allow or app on feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Change settings, allow another app, browse, then paste the path. Then you should find Marvel Rivals launcher.exe, open, and add it here. If you're getting this error, don't worry. This means Marvel Rivals is already added, so you don't need to do here nothing. Next step, what is just to do here, first open up browser, go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you're having good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe limit some devices and restart your router. And always, if there's possibility, use Ethernet cable. Right, then what you can do about it, you just need to open up command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. Then we need to wait, and then you just need to write here ipconfig space /flush DNS, and another command is winsock reset, right? And after that, go to settings, go to network and internet, then go to advanced network settings and find your internet connection. Then more adapter options, hit edit, select internet protocol version 4, select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, you're getting packet loss and a high network latency, go on network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. If you're using Ethernet cable, you don't need to do here nothing. After restart, you just need to play the game. And this should hopefully fix your problem. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.